Timestamp now 20:43, and there are some people enjoying the water, which is still quite chilly, but it's getting warmer now. It should be warm in a couple of weeks. And the sunset this evening is due at 20:59, so we still have quite a few minutes left. But as you can see, there's a lovely glow on the water. And today is the 24th of May 2023. Timestamp now 20:48. That's 11 minutes until the official sunset time. And as we can see it, there will be a rooftop sunset. Yes, as it starts to dip behind those rooftops in the distance. Actually setting about 3 or 4 suns to the right of its position at the moment. When I say 3 or 4 suns, I talk about the diameter of the sun. There we go, it started to dip behind, or from our perspective, it's now dipping behind those buildings on the horizon. We can see it noticeably shifting from the perspective of the naked eye view, and there are turrets and posts where we can see the movement of the sun very easily from this position. That's only with the naked eye. The film, of course, it would be far too bright on the film. So now a good 10% hidden behind those buildings. Now only 50% of the solar disk visible above those rooftops. And just a reminder, today is the 4th day of Gemini. That's May 24th. And tomorrow will be the 25th, of course. So now just 1/3 of the sun solar disk still visible. Still a slight glow on the water as the last 20% of the sun solar disk is still visible. So now 20:52, going on for 20:53 hours. 7 minutes until, 6 or 7 minutes until the official sunset, and we can see the last 1% of the solar disk as it sinks behind the rooftops, giving us a rooftop sunset for the 24th of May 2023. And there it goes. On lovely day today, 21 degrees Celsius. At the moment it's about 18 degrees Celsius, so perfect Gemini weather, whether you like it or not. And good swimming weather too. Lots of people on the beach to watch this sunset. Timestamp now, the actual moment of sunset, 20:59. And as we can see, up in the sky we have a waxing crescent moon. It looks to be about 12%, I could be wrong. And it's clocking in for the evening of the 24th of May 2023. Just over the way we have some other people flocking in to the beach club. So looks very good over there. And people still enjoying the weather. Always a good time to get your feet wet along the beach. 14:33 on the 25th of May 2023. Beautiful day and the trees are in blossom. Beautiful day for going to court. All the beauty of spring. New leaves, new start to the year. The splendour of the trees in blossom for the last month of spring. So we're lucky to get these yellow roses. And blue flowers on the way. Now 14:47, still a beautiful day. Oh, and look, the Courts of Justice. And just up there is the Central Library. So now 18 minutes until the sunset this evening on the 27th of May, as we see the solar disk approaching the building in the distance. A cool day, a cool 16 degrees, but a lot of people still in the water. Timestamp now 20:47 as a solar disk is seen to touch that building side in the distance. If we change position a little, the sun will move with us. Yes, there's more of a gap now between the solar disk and the building. So now 20:49 and half of the solar disk is still visible. It's a skyscraper sunset this evening. And there we go, a fairy sunset too. Now approaching 20:51, that's 12 minutes before the official sunset, as we watch the solar disk slip behind the skyscraper in the distance. And there, completely gone. Skyscraper sunset. Now 10 minutes before the official sunset. Now 5 minutes before the official sunset. And the glow has moved considerably to the right. Now 21:03, the official sunset time on the 27th of May 2023. A slight mist coming up over the Isle of Wight. So now 2016, so 13 minutes after sunset, and we have the moon shining brightly. Now 20:55, a similar sunset to yesterday, but the official sunset time will be 21:04. That's 1 minute later. And from this angle, we can see it again setting behind the skyscraper, but we also see that there is a church steeple next to the skyscraper. So a church steeple sunset this evening. Last moments that the solar disk is visible on the 28th of May 2023. As we see the last quarter of the sun disk disappear into the distance, and from our perspective it's gone, but it's still there. Some minutes before the official sunset. So now 21:39 now on the waterfront on the 28th of May 2023, and we have a waxing gibbous moon clocking in for the evening. Nice evening, a lot of wind.